All right, we're almost through the day. I just wanted to take a minute or two to give a little commercial about Discovery to Impact and what we do here at UT to help our life science innovators. Get that mug of me off the screen, please. Discovery to Impact, we are a team of 50+ professionals really focused on helping our campus innovators. Get them through the ideation phase all the way through potential commercialization. And life science is a key element, a key cornerstone of the work that we do in Discovery to Impact. And over the past 5 years, we have done more than 300 patent filings. We've done more than 60 negotiations for licenses. And so when people talk in their presentations about the opportunity for patents and licenses, that makes me smile, right? That is more opportunity for us to help them down the road. But we do more than that. So in addition, we've got a number of investment funds and other vehicles that can help our innovators, not just help them through ideation and through the process, but help them through the funding of their ideas as well. One of those, just to briefly talk about it and kind of talk about some of the programs we do, is we have one called Proof of Concept. So if you think about it, you're an early entrepreneur, you're trying to figure out whether your idea has any merit. We can help you with that, give you the funding if that's going to be a lab assistant. That could be getting access to materials and resources that you may not be able to fund on your own. We have programs, and so one is the Proof of Concept Award. That's up to $25,000. We have given out over 55 such awards to date. That amounts to like $1.5 million. But I think the real value of the program is that $1.5 million has led to more than 3 times the amount of follow-on funding for these entrepreneurs to continue on their life science journey. So we have an application coming up in March, so scan the QR code for more information. In addition, most people are familiar with the SBIR, STTR programs. We also can help you with that. We have a number of upcoming seminars, one coming up soon on February 4th. So if you're new to trying to understand what an SBIR, STTR process is, how the application works, come join us for that. If you're already familiar and you've done one in the past, right, or you're going to be applying for the next round, we have workshops that can help you through the application process. In addition, you think about, well, maybe I've gone through ICOR, maybe I've gone through a regional or national program, right? UT is the home or the lead for the Southwest hub for ICOR, right? That's roughly across 5 states and nine other institutions, right? This is a team that has put more than 500 teams through the training of working through the idea, getting customer validation, right? They understand and they have the processes that can help you through this journey. And so when you think about in addition to helping you write the proposals, if you do get a SBR phase 1, we can also potentially help you with, as you're waiting and potentially applying for a phase 2, additional capital that can get you through that first early valley of death. So lots of opportunity there. In addition, you think about, you want to move a little bit faster, you want to go through a sprint type of program, right? We've got a program called Texas Biodesign. This is really kind of based around the teachings and methodologies from Stanford. And we've got a terrific program that we run through our Innovation Center. They can lead you through that as well. So tons of opportunity. Lastly, I'll touch on, and you thought we were finished. We have a group called the Life Science Technology Development Group, right? So this is a group that really helps, again, our early entrepreneurs, right? As you're trying to think through what is the regulatory environment going to be? How much is it going to cost? What is the process it's going to take to get to an IND or a trial? This is a group that can help you through that process as well. And so in addition to those types of resources, we will also be opening 10,000 square feet of wet lab space up at Palmer Lane towards the Domain. That should open up in April of this year, right? So this is going to be a fantastic resource. If you are a life science entrepreneur, you can get access to equipment that would cost you probably millions of dollars and probably impossible to get access to, right? So this is a facility that is going to fill up fast. We'll have memberships available. It's going to allow you to get access to not only equipment, but also university resources. So this is really going to be a unique asset for our life science innovators. And so with that, that's the quick commercial on Discovery to Impact and what we do. So we'll be around. We've got lots of our team members here today to tell you more about what we do. But really, the opportunity here is to introduce some of the alumni that have gone through this program. And they're going to bring the audience a quick update in terms of what they've been up to. So first is Daniel and Aaron here.